Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making fall windsocks. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, streamers, I picked red, yellow, and orange, construction paper, I picked brown, yellow, orange, and white, and scissors. First, we're gonna take the white construction paper and we're gonna roll it this, and then we're gonna glue. We're gonna press down to make sure it sticks pretty good. And then we'll just let it dry. And then we're gonna take the paper, you can add red, all fall colors, and we're gonna make leaves. You can make any kind of leaves you want. These are my leaves. And then you're gonna take the orange and make a handle. This is my handle. I think we're gonna put the handle on first. Make sure to press down. That way it has time to dry while we're cutting leaves and getting them ready. I just made a bunch. You can just put them anywhere you want. And you can put as many or as few as you want. Just press down. And some of it can be up. It just makes it look. Turn it around. And you can use a lot of different shapes if you want. There's a lot to choose from. Okay, just gonna turn it around again. And then we're gonna take streamers and add them to the bottom. I think I'm going to do 2 of each color. And then when it all dries, you can put it outside for the wind. And you can use any colors of streamers. I just wanted it to look more fall-like. And this is our fall windsock. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.